Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to look at GUI application in Python. Graphical user interface GUIs provides users with visual interfaces to interact with software application. Python offers several libraries for building GUI applications, including Tkinter, pyqt, and pygtk. In this chapter, we will explore how to create GUI applications using Tkinter, the standard GUI toolkit included with Python. Using Tkinter for GUI development. Tkinter is the standard GUI toolkit for Python, providing a simple and easy to use interface to creating desktop applications with graphical user interfaces. It is included with most Python installations, making it accessible to all Python developers. Basic usage of Tkinter. Let's start with a simple example of creating a window using Tkinter. So in order to do that, first we are going to import Tkinter. Alright, now I'm done with the coding. Now I'm going to explain it. Now in this example, we create a root window using tk.tk and set its title using the title method. We then add a label widget with the text hello Tkinter using tk.label and pack it into the window using the pack method. Finally, we are going to start the Tkinter event loop with main loop to display the window and handle user events. Now let me quickly run it. Alright, so this is our very first GUI application. Right, so this is our very first GUI application, and it was just the introduction video how we can work with Tkinter, right? And in upcoming videos we are going to work with label, button, and many more stuff, right? So Tkinter is a versatile and beginner friendly library for creating GUI applications in Python. By understanding its basic concepts and feature, you can quickly develop desktop applications with graphical user interfaces to meet various needs. Alright guys, stay tuned for next videos. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.